Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video we covered about greater number among three numbers. This is the program, and also you can find out the video link in I button. So now we are going to start our next program, that is less number. So today we'll find out the smallest number among three numbers. So let's create our program. So just right click new class and let's have less number. Okay, so the program, our class is created. Let's add a main method here, main, and if you press alt enter, it will automatically invoke the complete method parameter. Let's declare our variable. So integer a comma b comma c. Let's create a scanner object to use user input scanner sc scanner system.in. Okay, let's give a message to user system.out.println. Enter first number. A is equal to sc.nextInt. Okay, so let's add a message for next number. System.out.println. Enter second number. Yeah, so b is equal to sc.nextInt. And for the third variable again, system.out.println. Enter third number. Okay, c is equal to sc.nextInt. So let's add our condition here. So we'll add if a greater than b and then a greater than c. Okay, by mistake I added a greater than, let's add a less than. Okay, now a less than b and then b a less than c. So on that case a is smallest number. So let's add system.out.println. First number is small. Okay, next for the same, let's add a else if here. If b is less than c, so already we checked for a and b, so there is no need to check again for a and b, so it's only b and c. Let's add a message here, system.out.println. Second number is small. And let's add a default condition. If both the condition are false, so third will be true. System.out.println. Third number is small. Yeah, I added a number mistake here, spelling mistake. Let's correct it. Okay, and program compiled and enter first number. So let's enter our number here. Yeah, see, third number is small. Okay, let's try again. First number, second number and third number. So this time first number is small. So in this manner, if you wanted to increase a parameter from 3 to 4, you can add an additional parameters after c, like this, comma d. So you can take input from user and add a condition on same manner. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye. Thank you.